The soft scrambled eggs with prawns is silky, it's salty, it's got this amazing texture from the soft scrambled eggs and the lightly cooked prawns. It is one of my favorite weeknight meals. Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Welcome back to Flavour Fridays, and today I'm going to make soft scrambled eggs with prawns, or wat tan hayan, a staple in a Cantonese family. Growing up, this was a dish that I would have all the time when there was nothing left in the fridge. It sounds like a simple dish, but there's actually a few things that you need to do to make sure you get that soft, silky egg and that just barely cooked prawn. One of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to chop some spring onions. Now this is the only ingredient that you really need to do any chopping for. If I was really lazy and I was at home, I might even use scissors and use a scissor and chop them straight into a small bowl. So with the spring onions, trim off the head and the tail and just nice, thin, fine rings. I'm going to reserve some of the spring onion whites to add in the beginning of the dish and then some darker green rings to garnish it in the very end. And that's all the chopping, some spring onion greens and some spring onion whites. After I've chopped the spring onions, I'm going to marinate my prawns. I'm just going to do a very simple Chinese classic marinade. So here are some whole prawns, deshelled, deveined. I'm going to add a small pinch of cornstarch. We think that this really helps with the texture of the prawns and makes them really silky and smooth. I'm gonna add a small pinch of white pepper, small pinch of sugar, and then also a little bit of soy sauce. And then I'll just give that a bit of a mix. Now that the prawns are marinated, the only thing left to do is to whisk a few eggs together. Whisk the eggs together just until the yolks and the whites are nice and combined. I'm going to season the eggs as well, small pinch of sugar, salt, and white pepper. And that's all the prep for this dish. Wat tan hayan, or soft scrambled eggs with prawns, is really such a classic Cantonese dish. You'll serve it in restaurants, in homes, in Hong Kong style diners. You can have it for lunch, as a snack, for dinner. It's one of those weeknight meals that require little to no prep at all, and it's best eaten over a bowl of freshly steamed rice. In a lot of Chinese restaurants, they'll estimate the time that it takes for the seafood dish specifically to even arrive at the table, because the eggs and the prawns continue to cook while they're on the plate over the steamed rice. So you almost want to slightly undercook your dish in the wok in order to think about how it continues cooking when you serve the dish. So I've got a wok, I've got my school of wok spatula, and also just a little bit of vegetable oil for frying. I'm whacking on my wok to high heat. While the wok is heating up, I'm going to add my vegetable oil all around the sides. Now, while the wok and the oil is heating up, I'm actually going to add my spring onion whites now because I want it to slowly infuse in the oil. Now that the spring onion whites are infusing the oil and starting to sizzle away, I'm going to cook my prawns first, take them out, and then add them back into the dish later on. So here goes my marinated prawns. Remember, you don't want your prawns to overcook, just slightly pink. Now that they've gone slightly pink, I'm going to take them off of the heat. Now back on my wok, high heat, oil all around the sides. So now that that oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add my eggs in. Soft scrambled eggs, run your paddle just through to make these beautiful ribbons. Just a few ribbons, and remember, estimate that the eggs are gonna continue cooking in the leftover heat. So now that my eggs are still a little bit watery, I add my prawns back in. I add some knobs of butter, a nice mix. And just like that, still some egg curds in the center of your wok. That's done, my heat is off. I'm gonna plate it onto my bowl, just like that. Some spring onion just to garnish the very top. And there is your wat tan hayan. With my soft scrambled eggs wat tan hayan fresh out of the wok, I'm gonna taste this. The proper way to eat it is really to lift up your rice bowl and just scoop it into your mouth. Oh my goodness, my stomach is rumbling just at the smell of this. This really takes me back to my very staple lunches when I was in Hong Kong. I mean, and those chefs in the Chinese diners, they can make this in about 2 minutes and just make them in batches and batches and batches. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time on Flavour Fridays. I want to know from all of you, what's something that you make when you have absolutely nothing left in your fridge? Leave it in the comments down below.